Hey everybody, it's Miss Lena and Mr. Bear here, ready for another day of math with you. So yesterday we got all the way up to number 15, which we now know looks like a 1 and a 5. We know the 1 in our teen numbers comes from the first 10 that fill up our 10 frame when we're counting or when we're drawing a picture or when we're counting other objects, right? So today we're going to learn about numbers 16 and 17. We're going to count and write numbers 16 and 17. And like always, when we see a problem, we know that we have to count to find how many are here. So we're going to count Jada's collection of piggy banks. So then we can use counters to show the number another way. And then we're going to write the number to tell how many. Get it? Got it? Great. Cool. So we're going to start by counting Jada's collection of piggy banks here. When we start counting, we start at 1 and we go all the way to the end. Are you ready? Great. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So Jada has 16 piggy banks, right? So let's go ahead and see where the 10 lives inside of these 16. So we're going to take our marker and we're going to draw a circle around 10 pigs. So let's start here and count as we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we'll come back around to get one more piggy 10 in our circle. So here's 10 ones, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. And we know that if we put 10 and 6 together, we get 16. So this is the number we use to, try that again, but we use to show, my goodness, that we use to show 16. There we go. So the 1 comes from our 10. We drop the 0, add a 6 from our 6. Great. So we showed our number 16 one way. Now we're going to show it another way using counters. So to use the counters, we need to take out our counters. And we will use red counters for our piggy banks today. Since we have 16 piggy banks and then we see the number 16 here, we are going to put 16 counters. Count with me. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So just like our pigs have 10 in one group, our 10 frame has 10 counters inside of it and 6 counters outside of the 10 frame group. So here we see number 16 again. We know it's number 16. We just learned about it. It looks like a 1 from its 10 ones and then a 6 from the extra 6 ones that are outside of this 10 frame. We're going to circle our group of 10 so we can see our group of 10. And we're going to count as we do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. To see our 10 pigs here and our 6 pigs outside of the circle to make the number 16. I'm going to write it on the screen. I want you to write it in the air. We write the number 1 top to bottom and then the number 6 top to bottom and around. Now I want you to write it in the air again or on your paper one more time. We know a number comes after 16. When we count, we know it is 17. So just like we counted our pigs here, we're going to count our green pigs here. And we're going to find a group of 10 after we count them. So let's count them first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh, so we know that it has to be 17, and Miss Lena miscounted somewhere, so I'm just going to try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We have 17 pigs. We need to circle our group of 10. We'll circle our group of 10 pigs. We know that 2 5s make 10, so we'll circle a group of 10 pigs. We have 10 here in our circle. 10 green pigs inside the circle, 7 green pigs outside of the circle, which gives us 17, which we're going to write 2 times in the air, on our paper, or on our screen. Good job. Now, since we did those together, I want you to try these on your own. Me and Mr. Beer will be here to help you double check your work. Are you ready? So when we see these problems, we know that we have to count the objects that we see. So we need to count our puppy dogs. We need to count our little puppy dogs here. So when I say go, I want you to count. Are you ready? Go. What did you get? 16? We got 16 too. So we're going to write our number 16. We know it looks like a 1. That's not a very nice one. We'll try again. A 1 and a 6. Let's circle our group of 10 to show where this 1 comes from. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then another 5 is the same on the bottom. We know it's the same because the dogs. So, we know they're the same. So we have 10 dogs in our circle and 6 dogs outside of our circle to get 16. Good job. Now we need to count our teddy bears. Are you ready? Go. What did you get? I know it starts with the 1 because we're only learning about 2 numbers today, 16 and 17. So is this 16 bears or 17 bears? What do you think, Mr. Bear? He thinks it's 17 bears. We also got 17 bears. Good job. Last but not least, let's count our blue horses. When I say go, I want you to count out loud by yourself. Go. How many horses did you count? 16. That's also how many we counted. Good job. So we write our 1 and our 6. Oh, we forgot to circle our groups of 10 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bears inside the circle and 7 bears outside. 10 horses inside the circle. Oh my goodness. And 6 outside. Great. Our last problem. Draw 17 balls and then write the number that tells how many. So 17 balls. Let's go ahead with some green today. We'll make them really big so we can just make dots. Right? 17. So count with me. 1. You want to make this a little bit bigger. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, close together. 7, 8, 9, 10. So if we're growing to 17, how many more green balls do you think I should draw? If we know 17 is 10 and a 7, and we have 10 green balls here, how many more should I draw? 7. Good job. Let's keep going. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And then we must write the number 17 to show how many balls we drew. Good job. Excellent work. I am so proud of all of the learning that you are doing. Mr. Bear and I see you working so hard. And thank you for joining us today to learn about numbers 16 and 17. Don't forget to practice writing your numbers and your number words and try to find 16 of something that you have in your house. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.